everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony V, and I am here bringing you another tutorial on a crochet style, but this time this is going to be a braidless crochet style. Now I've done several braidless crochet styles, but this is the first time I've actually recorded it and done a video on it. So I know that there are a lot of people in the no braid struggle gang. I actually happen to live in a house full of women that no idea how to braid. So I understand you guys are out there. So I wanted to put this video together because I figured it might help somebody. This particular method though, I just want to give a shout out to because I saw this on Just the Dragoness on Instagram. Now I've done braidless crochets before, just in different methods. So I just wanted to shout her out for this particular method that I use in this video. So, if you want to see how I got this crochet look using no braids whatsoever, stick around. All right, everybody. Hey. Let's get started. Well, after I had my little rock session for a minute. I'm silly, I know. Okay, I am starting this style on freshly washed, stretched, and moisturized hair, and I am beginning by parting a section in the front from ear to ear. Okay, so now that I have the front section off, I'm just going to comb back the rest of the hair into a ponytail and come back to that section later. Okay, now I'm going to part the front section into 4 equal parts. These sections will serve as versatility in the different ways that I can wear my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to put these 4 sections into 4 different ponytails, and I'm going to begin using the She Is Bomb Edge Control. And it is titled that for a reason. This edge control is bomb. So I'm just placing some of the edge control around the perimeter and edges of each ponytail. Then I'm just going to comb around the edges to get it nice and sleek and put it into a ponytail. And then I'm just going to twist the ends of each ponytail. Okay, so now I'm going to work on this back section and use some of that She Is Bomb edge control on my edges. Then I'm just combing it up to make it more sleek. Okay, so now I'm going to gather the remainder of the hair along with the twists in the front and make one ponytail. See, still no braiding. I've split the ponytail into 2 halves to create 2 twists. Now I'm just going to wrap around the twist around the ponytail to create a little mini bun and then tie a ponytail holder around that for security. Now y'all don't mind my little neck kitchen back here because I can clearly see it needs some attention. Whee! So as you can see, I am putting a bobby pin on each twist just to make sure it stays down. I don't want it to lift out of the ponytail. A little extra security goes a long way. All right, y'all, we're ready. Let's install this crochet hair. Okay, so the hair I'm using for this style is by Motown Tress. And it's in the style of the 10-inch deep twists in the color 1B. Now, of course, you're going to need your handy dandy crochet needle. Here is what one strand of the hair looks like. I didn't do any separating, and I began the crocheting in the back of my head. Now for this braidless method, it's better to crochet around the bun and not necessarily directly on the bun. Don't worry, the more hair you begin to add, it's going to completely camouflage the bun. I'm just doing a quick check to see where else I might need to add some hair. And I can see that it's quite a few places. This particular brand of crochet hair had some really nice texture. I know sometimes you come across the different brands that are really silky and you have to keep looping several times, but I only had to loop about 2 to 3 times for this hair and it kind of stayed in place. I kept feeling my hair snag on my nail, so I quickly grabbed that nail file to file it away. Ladies, if you feel a snag with your fingernails, please file your fingernails so that you don't snag your hair out. Hair protection is key. Okay, I don't know if you can see here, but I crocheted the hair on the ended twist of my ponytail. But make sure when you do this, grab some hair from the base of the ponytail as well, so that if the twist happens to lift, you'll have some base hair as well, so that it doesn't come off. I hope that made sense. If it doesn't, just let me know in the comments and I'll further explain. Okay, so I've lifted my hair up and clipped it away so that I can fill in some spaces in the back of my head. I'm attempting to cover and crochet as much area as possible. Okay, so anytime I'm near a parting space, I like to use the invisible knot method. And so for any beginners, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you want to make sure the crochet needle is open. Stick the needle through a piece of hair at the base of the ponytail. Stick the hair on the needle, pull it through, find your loop, and only pull one strand of hair through. I'm going to do it again in slow motion. Stick the needle through, latch the hair on the needle, close the latch, pull it through, grab your loop, and then pull one strand of hair through the loop and knot it at the end. This helps with the illusion of making the hair look a lot more natural. I decided to stop the crocheting here so that I don't get too close to my edges and damage them in any way. Protect your edges. Save your edges. Whew, okay, it's hot. Okay, so this is the versatility I was talking about. So I can wear my part on one side, or I can wear it on the other side, or I can wear it in the middle. And I'll show you the different ways in a moment. Okay, so this is if I want to do a little mini bun, a little top knot. Or here's if I want to just keep my part in the middle. All right, everybody, I'm back, and this is my final look. I have not done a full face. Sometimes I just don't feel like a full face, so I just did eyes and lips, and I'm okay with that. I don't need no judgment. Don't judge me. I didn't feel like doing a whole face. But this is my final look with this braidless crochet hairstyle. So if you like this video, go on and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time.